my channel. This is Vishari and you are watching my channel Cuisine by Canvas. So from the name you have already got the idea what today's video is all about. It's about a Bengal delicacy nolen gurer payesh. Before going to the recipe part, let's know some food fact about this payesh. And if you like my video and you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So the basic preparation, kheer is a rice pudding believed to be originated 2000 years back from the temple town of Puri, Orissa. It is prepared by boiling rice, broken wheat, semolina, vermicelli, even from tapioca, by boiling wheat, milk and sugar. It is flavored with cashew, cinnamon, cardamom or any other nuts, even with saffron or ghee. Chaler payesh is a signature Bengal delicacy made with rice, milk and sugar. In Bengal, instead of sugar, we use batasha as well. And nolen gurer payesh is a different flavored dessert, just like chaler payesh. It is flavored with date palm jaggery, as it gives a rustic earthy flavor. We don't need any other flavoring for making nolen gurer payesh. To make nolen gurer payesh, I am using Govindabhog rice. But if you can't get Govindabhog rice, you can use Basmati rice or any other rice. Here, no other flavoring is required, as the date palm jaggery gives the very unique flavor to this preparation. But I prefer using 3 ingredients unique, like ghee, a pinch of cardamom powder and 1 or 2 bay leaves. That's it. Let's come to the recipe part.
For making nolen gurer payesh, we will be needing 650 milligrams of milk, 50 grams of Govindabhog rice that I have soaked for 30 minutes, 2 tablespoons sugar, 100 grams of date palm jaggery, 8 to 10 raisins, 1 pinch of salt, 8 to 10 cashew nuts, 1 pinch of cardamom, small cardamom, 1 tablespoon ghee and 2 bay leaves. At first we will add the ghee and we will add the bay leaves. Once it get hot, we will add the milk. Then we will add 1 pinch of salt and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the milk has already heated and it is almost boiling, so we will add the soaked rice. Now you can see the rice is boiling in the milk and we have to keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. How I can assume this? See, you have to just check the rice and you will understand by yourself. And you have to keep stirring for 3 to 5 more minutes. Now you can see my rice is wholly boiled, and now we have to add one by one the cashew nuts, the raisins, small cardamoms, and first the sugar. After the sugar melts, we have to add the date palm jaggery. Now we will add the date palm jaggery and stir continuously. Now my nolen gurer payesh is ready. You can see the nice brown color. Now I will switch off the flame and do the plating. Now I will do the presentation part. Now I will add just 1 or 2 raisins or cashew nut and some liquid jaggery as its garnish.